Okay, this is more of a test video than anything. Hopefully it'll work. If it does, I'll upload it. If it doesn't, well, it'll go in the trash. Anyway, we're going to be making goulash with cast iron.
And buffalo meat.
And buffalo and hamburger meat. So, we take our big cast iron pot and fill it with some water. And my honey's over there stirring the meat in my big cast iron skillet. I have tried Copper Chef, I've tried Teflon, I've tried all kinds, and I just keep going back to good old cast iron. Anyway, fill that about halfway, 3/4 of the way. And we will take this over here. Excuse me, babe. And I guess my honey's gonna brown the meat. And while he's doing that, I will find a lighter
Almost ready.
and light this burner. Okay, burner is lit and water in there. And then what I use is 1 pound of macaroni elbow noodles, and we just open this up with one hand. And then we just dump it in our pan. And then I use tomato sauce. And we also use, probably shouldn't be, my secret is a little bit of hot sauce in my goulash.
Alright, you weigh down.
Okay, the hamburger is pretty much brown, so we will add some, I like to use regular onion, but beans I don't have any. We'll just use the minced onion. And I just don't really have a measurement. I do a lot of dump and pour in my recipes, so I can't really tell you how much to use. And then Lowry. I love Lowry's. I cook with it in just about everything, actually. And then we will wait for those to boil, and then we drain that in the water. Drain the water off the noodles. Mix the hamburger to the noodles, and then we put in our tomato sauce and a little bit of hot sauce and some tomato sauce. Mix it together, and I will show you the finished product when I get there. So I did it just a little bit different. I went ahead and added my tomato sauce, my tomato juice, hot sauce, and everything in here. And we will let this warm up. And then we will add the whole mixture to the noodles that are still boiling as soon as they get done, which shouldn't be too much longer. My honey thinks he's starving to death. So dinner should be ready in about 5-10 minutes. Okay, I just dumped the sauce into the noodles, stir it up, and dinner is ready. All that's left is to say prayer, dish it up, and pig out. So I hope you enjoyed my cast iron goulash. Until next time, have a good one.